Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on any Android phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the quick settings on your smartphone. And from here, just disable mobile data. Now in many cases, this problem appears when the signal of your Wi-Fi is weak, so your smartphone starts switching to the mobile data instead of your Wi-Fi. Now once you disable mobile data, just go to your home screen and open settings. Then go to about phone, select software information and tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now once you enable developer options, just go back and in the search bar just search Wi-Fi scan throttling and tap on Wi-Fi scan throttling. From here, just make sure you enable Wi-Fi scan throttling and also disable mobile data always active. Now once you do that, and if this did not fix your issue, just go back and in the search bar just search reset Wi-Fi. Now just select reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Then go to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and select reset settings. Now this option will not delete any data on your smartphone. It will only reset all the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Now once you do that, just restart your smartphone. To do that, just open the quick settings and tap on the power icon and select restart. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. And this is how you can fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.